Hey everybody, Ryan Palmer here. Kind of a continuation from yesterday's video. Kind of want to show you the before and after of these beams that we're reclaiming out of the Blackfoot River. These were the beams from the original Blackfoot Dam, built in 1886. They were underwater for 120 years, and we got the opportunity to get these beams and clean them up, and this is kind of what they look like when we get them. Pretty gnarly, pretty dirty. And then we get them and clean them up, sand them. We're going to probably oil them. This one's got some original metal spikes in there that constructed the dam. Pretty cool. Just thought I'd kind of show you before and after what they look like. We're going to clean all these things up and got them for sale and make a great conversation piece. Check us out online for more info.